Little Maria was born in Italy with an incredible will to learn. Her parents believed that, one day,
She could become a great teacher.
but her school was the most dull and boring place on earth. So, Maria invented games to make learning more fun.
Let's make this a game.
Can we try? When Maria finished elementary school, she was eager to study science. But in those days, girls were not encouraged to study. So Maria had to attend an all-boys technical school.
Maria decided to become a doctor. Despite every obstacle, she made it to medical school, the first woman in Italy to study medicine.
Maria was not allowed to join the other students for some practical lessons, so she had to continue her medical studies alone after class. After graduating, Maria became an assistant doctor at a clinic for children with disabilities. The children had very little to learn and almost nothing to play with.
Maria treated the children with love and respect. Through games and hands-on activities, she helped them believe in themselves, and they began to thrive.
She opened a school called the Children's House, where children could learn independently. Desks were replaced with child-sized tables filled with hands-on learning materials.
She was the first to use cutout letters to help children learn to read. Through travel stories, she made geography exciting, and with tales of insects, she brought the natural world to life.
She wrote books and articles, traveled the world to teach, and inspired hundreds of teachers to follow her revolution across the world, from Italy to America and India. Maria believed children should be free to explore, curious to discover, and responsible for their own learning. She believed they were the makers of tomorrow. Her ideas changed the way we think about childhood, and their influence continues in classrooms around the world today. Montessori recognizes that every child is unique. Children are given the freedom to learn at their own pace, follow their interests, and discover through doing. Montessori is more than learning letters and numbers. It helps children build confidence, concentration, problem-solving skills, responsibility for everyday life. Because education is not only about what children learn today, it is about helping them become confident enough to discover what they can achieve tomorrow.
Thank you for watching my story. I hope you keep learning, exploring, and believing in the wonderful potential of every child. Goodbye!